Ready, start. Cooperative federalism, not competitive federalism. In confrontational federalism, stop. You must have a cooperative federalism where states work with each other. Stop. The GST Council is a good innovation. Stop. The finance minister deserves credit for running GST Council is a consensual manner, and I hope that this will be the shape of things to come. Stop. However, we should not abandon this approach to federalism and go by the Niti Aayog approach of competitive federalism. When we start ranking states and Bihar will always be at the bottom and Gujarat and Tamil Nadu will always be at the top. That will be unfair to states like Bihar, which is a hug backlog of development. Stop. Stanzas are in summary. What I want to say is that the claims made by the finance minister on agriculture are vastly exaggerated. Stop. The MSP was already 50% profit over the cost of production in February 2015. Stop. The BJP government giving an affidavit in the Supreme Court saying that 50% profit is not possible. Stop. They changed their mind in 3 years. Stop. The health insurance scheme is a welcome announcement. Stop. We will support it. Stop. But it is unlikely to succeed. It will only help private hospitals. Stop. It will only help private sector. Stop. It will not help the real patients. Stop. Out of pocket expenditure and outpatient needs are not met. Stop. We should go back and strengthen primary health care. Follow the Kerala model, the Tamil Nadu model. Stop. Third, we must not exaggerate the acceleration in job creation. Stop. The more environment in provident fund does not mean more new job creation. Stop. It will needs more formalization. Stop. Stanza. Finally, sir, on GDP numbers. So I want the honorable the finance minister occasionally to listen to his colleagues. Stop. One out of ever two children in this country is malnourished. Stop. One out of three children in this country is stunted. Stop. One out of five children in this country are wasted. Stop. Look at our educational outcomes. Stop. The children of class 8, class 5 cannot read the second standard textbook. Stop. These are the problems we must address. Instead of addressing these problems, you are going to leave behind an economy that is limping. Stop. Investments are failing. Stop. Credit growth is sluggish. Stop. Jobs are not being created. Stop. Exports have not crossed the high of $300 billion to 2013 to 14. Stop. Listen to his diagnosis. Stop. Listen to his prescription. Stop. Listen to his course of treatment and kindly do a big course of correction. Stop. All that we can do in the last year of this government is hope that there will not be another budget of this government. Stop.